Seyyah Ressam here. Glad you could join me for another deep dive into tomorrow's tech. Stick around as we explore features, performance, and hidden quirks you won't see in the spec sheet. After much anticipation, the OPPO Reno14 has officially launched in Vietnam. And it already creating waves. Not just because of its celebrity ambassador, Sun Tung MTP, but thanks to its striking design, impressive performance, and AI-driven features. Priced at $625, the Reno14 is a stylish mid-range smartphone, aiming at young users who want flair, functionality, and future-ready tech all in one sleek device. Unboxing the OPPO Reno14. Inside the Reno14 box, users are greeted with a clean white packaging, featuring the phone's signature fish-tail pattern, mirroring the back design of the device itself. OPPO includes a transparent case, a SIM ejector tool, and an 80W Super VOOC fast charger with USB-C cable. A thoughtful touch that many competitors have begun omitting. Design sleek, elegant, and uniquely OPPO, retaining the flat-edge frame design. Seen on the Reno13 series, the Reno14 subtly refines the formula. The star of the show is its glass back, particularly the white variant, which features a shimmering fish scale-like pattern that changes depending on the light and viewing angle. It elegant yet youthful, a reflection of OPPO intention to target style-conscious users. Meanwhile, the green variant takes a minimalist approach with a matte finish that resists fingerprints and exudes understated sophistication. Whether you prefer bold or refined, the Reno14 design delivers. The metal frame adds rigidity and premium feel, and the IP68 IP69 rating means this phone can handle dust, splashes, and even brief water immersion, perfect for active lifestyles. Weighing 187 grams and measuring just 7.42 millimeters thick, the Reno14 feels incredibly comfortable in hand, and its compact dimensions, 157.9 by 74.7 millimeters, make one-handed use a breeze. Display big, bright, and beautiful. The Reno14 sports a 6.59-inch AMOLED display with FHD resolution 1256 by 2760 pixels, offering a vibrant and detailed visual experience. With 93.4% screen-to-body ratio, the thin bezels help immerse you in content. Whether you're gaming, watching videos, or browsing, it supports a 120Hz refresh rate, HDR10, and can output over 1 billion colors, making the viewing experience sharp, smooth, and color accurate. Outdoor visibility is strong, too, with brightness reaching up to 1200 nits. A 50-megapixels punch-hole front camera sits discreetly at the top for selfies and video calls, completing the immersive front panel. Camera powerful triple-lens setup. On the back, the Reno14 features a triple camera system, capable of handling everything from portraits to zoomed-in shots. Main camera 50 megapixels, f1.8, 26mm, OIS. Telephoto camera 50 megapixels, f2.8, 80mm, OIS, 3.5x optical zoom. Ultra-wide camera 8 megapixels, f2.2, 116 field of view. Combined with OPPO image processing algorithms, this setup promises sharp, vibrant photos and stable videos. A full camera review is in the works, but early impressions are promising, especially for photography enthusiasts on a budget. Performance Dimensity 8350 packs a punch. Under the hood, the Reno14 is powered by MediaTek Dimensity 8354nm chipset paired with Mali G615MC6 GPU, delivering strong multitasking and gaming performance. It comes with 12 GB of RAM and 256 GB of storage, plenty for most users' needs. Running Android 15 with Color OS 15 out of the box, the phone feels snappy and responsive. Benchmark results show impressive numbers. Antutu 1,325,587. Geekbench 6 1316 single-core, 3975 multi-core. AI features smarter, more personalized. OPPO leans into AI with features that make Reno14 smarter and more helpful. Real-time translation ideal for travelers or international communication. Voice-to-text notes transcribes voice memos with contextual understanding. Call translation automatically translates conversations during calls. Call summarization extracts key info from lengthy discussions. Smart reminders stores locations, ideas, and appointments for later reference. These features enhance productivity and accessibility, making Reno14 more than just a phone, it's a daily assistant. Battery long life and fast charging. Equipped with a 6,200 mAh battery, the Reno14 is built to last through a full day of heavy use and more. When you do need a top-up, the included 80W Super VOOC charger can refill the battery quickly, minimizing downtime. Final thoughts: stylish, smart, and worth every dollar. At $625 USD, the OPPO Reno14 brings flagship-grade design, capable performance, and intelligent software into a competitive price bracket, with Sun Tung MTP as its ambassador, and a design that stands out. It clearly built for the fashion-forward, tech-savvy generation. Whether you're a content creator, a student, or a young professional, the Reno14 promises a stylish and seamless smartphone experience, and it delivers.